Welcome to another Crafting with Cats, and today we're making the pumpkin cat poof. Here I was just making a toile of my pattern out of some old calico I had in my sewing studio, just to see if the pattern would work before I cut into the more expensive faux orange fur. I cut 6 segments and I sewed them all together, leaving a little gap so that we could stuff it with the wadding. And this is the basic shape before we turned it right side out. And here's parsley, just come to examine it and make sure it's all okay. Here it is right side out, and now we're stuffing it with the wadding. It did take quite a lot, I think about 2 cushions worth, to get a nice bouncy consistency. And then I just hand stitched that last seam together, and this is what we were left with. Then I found some green fabric to make the pumpkin leaves, and then I just gave them some slight padding, stitched them all together before I added some homegrown catnip, which is very potent. The cats love it. And then I just hand stitched the final part together. To make the stalk, I used 1 felt square, and I sewed some ribbing effect down it, and then I put it right sides together and cut out a pumpkin stalk shape before sewing it up and turning it right sides out. And then I stuffed it with more wadding and more catnip, because obviously you can never have enough catnip. And then I attached the bottom on, which was hand stitched in this picture. And we were left with the little stalk. And this is the final pumpkin finished, which is pretty nifty. And here's Melvin having a look at the catnip leaves, which I think were a huge success. He absolutely adored it, as did all the cats. But Melvin, he got there first and he dribbled on absolutely everything. And here's Fudge, taking great pleasure and delight playing with the pumpkin stalk kicker toy. And this is actually this year. I originally made the pumpkin in 2019. So the catnip's doing pretty well for him to still be going crazy over it like he is here. If you'd like to see the full step-by-step tutorial, visit the blog at www.bionicbasil.com. Head to the Crafting with Cats page, just scroll down and you'll find all the projects that we've done, and you can find out everything there, dimensions and everything. And we'll see you next time when we're making the spooky cat house. Thanks for watching.